Good morning. It's been a while since we've done this. Today is May something. It's Memorial Day. Can't remember dates. We are on our way to the zoo.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Chris, say hi. It's been a while, but we're back. Beginning of the year. Summer, so we're gonna have some adventures. So, catch you guys at the zoo. What's up, guys?
Oh, hi.
Back for our annual zoo trip. It's packed today, right, Chris?
Yeah.
For the first time, we parked all the way over here. I have to walk over there. Oh, airplane. So where we have been? Where have we been? Chris, where have we been?
What?
We have been chilling. We haven't done anything fun this year. It's been cold. It's been cold. Even right now, it's Memorial Day weekend and it's chilly.
I've been not wanting to walk for a long time.
So.
And I act weird now.
Yeah, he grew up.
Yep.
So now we're getting ready to go to the zoo. And next week, we're going to Wate. We're going to Wate. I'm not sure how much I'll vlog because it's more of a family trip just to see my uncle and my grandma. We'll see how it goes. But yeah. And then after that we have Mexico. That's gonna be anxiety.
I'm not even 6 anymore. I'm 7 now. Yay.
Yes, he's grown. So, catch you guys in the zoo as always. Peace. Little packed today, right, Chris? A lot of kids.
A lot of kids.
A lot of kids.
Little kids. Mostly little kids.
I know, where's the zoo?
Why is there mostly little kids than big kids in the zoo?
Because it's a zoo.
Huh?
It's a zoo.
Huh?
I don't know. Are you a big kid or a little kid?
Big kids.
I'm a big kid now. Chris, what did you see? There's a duck. Oh, there's 2 ducks. There's 3 ducks.
Where's the other one?
They're over there, look.
I'm gonna name him.
Waiting for their heads to pop out. Squirrel! Waiting for their heads to pop out somewhere. Somewhere. The game of whack-a-mole. Where's the heads? Where's the heads? Here's one head. There's Jacob. Oh, you see his head. He disappeared. There he is. He finally popped up.
Job, Jacob.
Jacob have discovered hole.
What else you can find?
Today I'm following Jacob. Oh look, baby! You see the flamingos, Jacob? Come on. Do you see it?
I know, I see.
Go, Jacob. Go, Jacob. Good job. You did it. You see the ducks? Come on. Let's keep walking. You hear the water? Who's on there? Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Say, Mommy.
Mommy.
Look at the big rabbit.
Oh, there's a little one here.
You pet it? Oh.
Chris, look at this one. We're at the petting zoo. I think Jacob's over it. He used to love this. You have donkeys scratching themselves over there. Yeah.
For the food.
I know.
Chris, right here, look.
I'm going with pull out. Where's Ollie?
Yeah, Stephanie over there. Here's a sheep. Let's feed the sheep. Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
look, look.
Yeah, like this way, buddy. Max.
It's wet. Oh. It is so cute. They don't get mad.
Got two more, Chris.
They don't get mad.
You want to sit down?
Of course they don't get mad.
Okay.
Gosh, he's ready.
Can I put my hands?
Yeah, we're gonna go right now. Soon. Sea lions are over there swimming. Jacob, what sounds do they make? What sound do they make?
Yeah.
What sound do they make? You just made up one today.
Those, Chris.
Elbow. Oh my gosh.
Look at this. I got the egg.
Chris, say cheese. So we're here at a future paleontologist. Chris, what are you discovering? What did you find? Gotta clear. Oh, is that that's a head.
I know that's a head.
Yeah.
Mabel, we're gonna go. You put those back?
Jacob's chilling.
Do we have to move the stroller here? Like, what comes after this? I thought it was all a walking thing.
And then that's a
Like those four legs.
yeah, the Spinosaurus. Yeah, it's moving. Chris, look at that one.
Dad, that dinosaur with four legs is too big to be a real dinosaur.
That's a go. Right there, Jacob. Whoa! Say cheese. Go in, Chris.
Place for them to
It's a trailhead.
If you have questions or want to learn more, you can scan these QR codes or ask for questions right here.
Oh, Chris.
They're not real, remember? I know they're not real.
He's saying there's two of them.
I forgot. Look at those names. I forgot. Look at those names.
Whoa.
I know. The two dinosaurs.
That's the one that flies in your room, right?
No, it's not.
Yes, yeah.
It's a pterodactyl. Mine's a pterodactyl.
Oh, wow. Oh. It looks like it.
Sorry, babe.
Whoa, whoa.
Do you not know these are pterodactyls? What's it called? A tyrannosaur.
Imagine getting chased by that.
Man, I'm faster than I'm faster.
Faster than this thing. This is a Giganosaurus, Chris.
See, there's a chain around his leg, so he can't really come out here.
Oh, all these dinosaurs are bigger than me.
That was from,
What did I think? What did I think there was?
That was from,
No, that's a Quetzalcoatlus.
that was from a Jurassic.
So,
I think that's from Jurassic World.
yeah. So look at this. I'm standing near
Minion.
a dinosaur.
It's
How is this? It's the size of a fighter jet. That's bigger than me, right, Chris?
Yeah, it looks like
Big.
a jet. It's like a wing.
I gotta break my neck to look at. What is this? This is a Tupusuara.
What?
I don't know how to say that. Look at this guy. Look up. Look up.
Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a bear.
What is this? That's
I think there's
That's Protolitis. Protolitis. Oh, there's one heading over here. Look.
What's that? Oh, that's a ton. I know that.
Stegosaurus is an Allosaurus.
That's a Dinosaur, definitely. Yeah, that's a Dinosaur.
No, there's a Mamenchisaurus. Some of these names are weird.
I don't.
Look at them legs. Look at them legs. What is that? Oh, they're like baby. Oh, what are they eating? It's a tail. This is a Majungasaurus. That's what they're eating. A Brachiosaurus. It's over here, look, his head. It's like a Bronchosaurus. The infamous Tyrannosaurus Rex. Da-da-da. Wow. The infamous Tyrannosaurus Rex. Armored dinosaur. Oh, the Triceratops.
Apatosaurus is like a not pulling them all bumpy, but they're not all bumpy.
No. That is Triceratops. Oh, that is bumpy one. Ankylosaurus. Yeah, it's a Gastonia. Cosmoceratops. Alright, now we're gonna go eat.
I'm starving.
So we're starving. And yeah, let's go. We just had lunch. How's your lunch?
Good.
Now we have merry-go-round or ooh, my allergies, or budgie, depending on the line. Let's see. SodaBudgie.com.
I want to go to church and find Emily.
These guys. Whoa! I got one. Chris, I got one again.
Hold on, Jacob.
A wild bird is natural habitat. Chris, hold tight.
Hold it tight.
Hold it tight, Chris. Hold it tight.
Stephanie!
Right behind her.
You got one? You got your blue one back? Good. You got the blue? Oh, I'm right behind you, Chris.
Don't let go. Keep holding.
You guys, first bird. Pretty bird. Come on. Oh, they're like my 8th bird that I've taken. This is bird number 84 that I've had today. Now Chris and I both have the same bird.
Now next
So I think somebody's watching us. Why are they watching us? It's like the movie The Crows. Now we're in the butterfly section.
I can't touch butterflies.
Because that's the rules.
They died? No.
Butterflies are fragile.
Yeah.
I'm scared of the blood.
They don't do anything.
They killed me. Hey, butterfly almost killed me. There.
Oh, the tortoise.
Robert, if they ran on it.
No, because you can't.
They're touching me.
They're touching you. They can touch you, but we can't touch them. Oh, the parrots.
Parrot, my favorite. I wanted a parrot. Hi, parrot.
Oh, a koi pond. Look at them. They're gorgeous.
Say
Gorgeous.
hi to me.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, parrot.
Good job. Jacob, turn.
What does it look like?
Like a butterfly.
How do I do it?
Pretty good.
Hand? That's not butterfly. Hey, yo.
Move your hands, Jacob.
I'm a zebra. Move your hands.
Say cheese.
Do you like my blueberries on your
Fly,
pancakes?
Jacob, fly.
Whee! Whoa! Daddy's right here. Good job. Chris, hold on to Raccoony.
Chris, hold on to Raccoony.
Good job.
Fly, Jacob, fly.
No. Whoa!
Fly, Jacob, fly.
Right here with them. Look, Jacob. Yay! Icy time.
That everyone who's
So we're heading home. We did a half a day today. We'll be back.
I might go to the pool we have, and we didn't tell us. We didn't tell you about that.
What a pool. A better pool than last year's. We're going home. We're gonna get some tacos. So let's go to Tacos de Bronco too. Best tacos in town.
What?
Best tacos in the Bronx. Tacos de Bronco at Lighting in White Plains. Come check it out.
Add a top change. 450.
Fresh fruit, look at that. Cooking right on the grill.